As featured on Forbes, the Piano Encyclopedia is revolutionizing the way people learn how to play the piano.
The Piano Encyclopedia presents the Reference Books, a one-of-a-kind musical reference library that puts all the fundamental chords, intervals, and scales used in music at your fingertips. The 3,000 sound recordings and animations included in the interactive library will serve as essential aids to your learning. Master chords. Chords are one of the main pillars of music. The Chords reference book covers from the basic major and minor triads to the most complex diminished, augmented, and altered chords. With its interactive sound and visual aids, this interactive book will be an indispensable resource for learning how to play your favorite songs. Master scales. Think of the greatest classical composers or the greatest improvisers of the jazz era. All used their knowledge of scales to easily play by ear, improvise riffs, or compose new music. This multimedia book will be your go-to reference for all of the fundamental scales used in music. Whether your favorite genre is romantic classical, New Orleans jazz, or pop ballads, it is mastering scales what will take your musicianship to the next level. Master the building blocks of music. If you wish to master chords, scales, melody, and accompaniment, the secret word is intervals. They are the building blocks of music. You will be able to consult this book for basic to advanced music intervals. Its audio and visual aids will help you pick up and play melody and bass lines by ear with ease, as well as assist you with creating your very own complex chords and exotic scales. Take your learning to the next level with the interactive reference books of the Piano Encyclopedia. Order now